Hi, grade one. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume unit 3 in your book, new English syllabus book, grade 1. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, we took unit 3 and we took lesson 1 and 2. Today we will take lesson 3 and 4. Here we will I would like to revise the pronunciation letter of letter B. Here is B, capital B, written like this, capital B and small b. What the words related to this letter? Here we have banda, parrot, pencil. Banda, parrot, pencil. And we have pizza, potato. Pizza and potato. I will repeat after me. Banda, parrot, pencil, pizza, potato. Okay, this is the pronunciation of letter B, and this called capital B and small b. And I think I review the book to pronounce yourself about this letter. Let's go to another one here. This called is the capital letter. We say capital letter or uppercase, and when we talk about small letter, we say lowercase. We can say capital letter, small letter, or uppercase and lowercase. Both are correct. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have match the objects that related to letter B. Here we have pencil. We have here potato. We have banda, and we have also what pencil, potato, and banda. This is the words related to letter B. And I think we know this before in the previous video. Let's go to lesson 3 today. Today I will end from this unit. This is unit 3. Here we count from 1 to 5. Let's count together. Review. This is the dialogue between Omar and Ali. Let's read the dialogue and know more about this topic. Here we have Omar asking Ali, how many books do you have? So Omar asking Ali about the books you have. Ali, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ali seeing the books in his bag and counting 1 to 3. There are 3 books. So now we know how many is the keyword question that asks about what. Can say with me. Can say with me. Yes, it's ask about numbers. As we know during the vacation, the course of the basic course in summer vacation, we know that how many asking about we use it to ask about numbers. I think we know this in the basic course that we took it during the summer vacation. You can revise the videos and know what we told before. Let's go to another one here. Here is Omar points to a picture on the wall with some flowers. Omar with some flowers. Ali, can you count the flowers? Omar, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 flowers. So Omar counting the flowers, it will be 4 flowers. 4 flowers. Ali, what else can you see? I see one sun. Ali, look, I have 5 apples. Do you want one? So Omar asking Ali offers. Here is we saying the offering. Ali offering to Ali about apples. So about 1 apple. We're saying, Ali, look, I have 5 apples. Do you want one? So here Ali offers to Omar an apple to eat it. So yes, please, I have 1 apple now. Thank you. Let's know the numbers and values. Here we say, listen to the teacher and point and count. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will repeat the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's not difficult because we took these numbers in mathematics. And we must know how to write one in numbers and in letters. I will write it for you. Here is numbers written like this in numbers and in letters like this. Here is letter 1. Here is letter 2 written like this. Letter 3 written like this. Here is letter 3, and here is letter 4. Here is letter 4, and here is letter 5. So in this part, we know from 1 till 5 only, okay? The numbers from 1 till 5 only. Here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. I will leave you, this book is the textbook. I will leave you, after I finish the video, to download it and trace these words, okay? Here we have, how many books are there? There are 4 books. So can count it together, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many butterflies are there? We have here 1 only butterfly. So we can put S for more than 1, we're adding S. One thing is this called singular. This called singular, so can take S. Anyone is singular, don't take S. But more than one, take what? Take S. This is called plural and singular. I think we took plural and singular during the, I explained during also the summer course. In the videos, you can return to the videos and know the singular and plural and how we know the singular and plural. Let's continue the rest of the of this lesson. Here I have one brother. I see 5 pairs. So here we know that anything more than one, more than one, it will have as like books, like birds, like sisters here, like books, like here is books, here is 4 books, here is 2 sisters, here is 4 books. So we have here adding S, and here is bird, here we have brother, butterfly. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have count, circle, and the correct numbers. Here is what flower, here is 1, so I select this one. There is 3 flowers, so I select the number in the middle. 2, so this is 2. Here is 4, so I select this one. Here is 5, so I'll select in the middle. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Look at the picture and count the correct numbers. Here is 2, 1. Which one is 1 here? This one. By this one is sun. 3, which one is 3? 3 here, 3 pineapples. 4, which one is 4? 4 leaves. Here we have 5 apples. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have, there are space. Here is pencil. It will be here 2. Count the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be here 4 bags. Stars here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I select 5 here. So here we have numbers. Can trace it. Here is 1 written like this 1. Here is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3 written like this. Here is 4. I trace one column, and I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Here is how to write the numbers. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go to another one here. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's go to the rest of the lesson. Here we have listen to the teacher and repeat. Here is we have hat, horse. Here is called this letter called what? Letter H, written like this. Capital H and small h, written like this, called letter H. I would like to repeat with me. This is capital H and small h. You can say capital H and small h, and you can say uppercase of H and lowercase of H. But we know it as a familiar. We know this is capital H and small h. Here we have hat. We have here horse. We have here hair. I will repeat and repeat after me. Hat, horse, and hair. Here we have house and hands. Here we have house and hands. I will repeat again. Hat, horse, hair. We have hands and house. Let's go to another one here. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Let's go to another one. Here is capital. Here is letter B, B and H. Here is B and H. I will leave it to pronounce. Okay. Let's go to letter H here. Capital H and small h. Here is to be hat. Hat. Here we have at this picture. Circle the beginning letter. So here is the pictures, and we select the beginning letter of this picture. What is this? I'm listening. You said, Ms. Man, how to apply for pupils. So I select letter capital H and small h. What is this? Horse, you are clever pupils. Here you are clever pupils. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here we have hands, horse, and door. Hands, horse, and door. House and hat. House and hat. I will repeat and repeat after me to keep it. Hands, hands, hands. horse, 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 house, house, house. All these words started by letter H. Hat, hat, hat. I will repeat and repeat after me. Here we have hands, hands, hands. Horse, horse, horse. House, house, house. Hat, hat, hat. And door, door, door. Okay? Let's go to another one. Here is capital D and small d. Capital D and small d. G for dog. Capital D and small d. How can I write it? Here is capital D. I would like to write it in separated way to know how to write it. This is called capital D and small d, and here is called dog. I would like to repeat with me, dog. Capital D and small d, and capital D and small d is for what? For dog. Let's continue the rest of the exercise of this lesson. Okay. Here we have capital D and small d written like this. This is called capital D written like this. I try to write it in correct way, but you are clever than me to write it because they have appropriate in the pencil that I write it with it. Okay, here is capital D and small d. I would like to write it in separated way to know how to write. This is capital D and this is small d written like this. Okay, D for what here? What is the words related to this letter? It will be here drum. We have drum. We have dog. We have door and dog. All these words started by letter what? And doll. Here we have doll also. Okay. So here we have doll. We have here we have doll, dog, door, dog, and drum. Okay. All these words started by letter G. Let's go to another one. Here we have the exercise. Here we have this exercise. We trace the first letter of every word here. Here we have drum. So I trace letter D. Dog, hair, horse, doll, hand. Okay. Here is the picture. In this picture we have a letter. We have write the letter of this picture and color. Here we have duck. So I colored the duck, then I trace this letter. So that started by letter D, capital D and small d. Here is we have house, capital H and small h. Okay, let's go to the review here. Here we have pencil. Which one is pencil here? This one by this one. Play. Which one is play here? Which one is play here? This is this. Which one is play? Which one is play here? This one is play. This one play. Saying hello. This one. This is the last picture. Book. Which one is book here? This book. Check hands. This one. Check hands. Desk. This one by this one. Okay. Here we have put right or wrong. The grass is green. Is the grass is green as we know during the lesson? Yes. The sky is yellow. No, it's not yellow. It's blue. The flower is red. Yes, it's red. Here is the sun is blue. This is not sun. This is cloud. So here is we have wrong. Let's go to another item here. Count and match. Here we have number 3 and 2 and 1. So I will count and then I select the correct one. This is 1. This is 2. We have 2 tomatoes. I think tomatoes. Pineapples. We have here 3 pineapples. Okay. This is the numbers. Okay. Every number is suitable for the suitable. Every picture is matched by suitable number. Here we have things and we have shapes that related to this thing. Like what? Here is we have the clock is like square, pizza triangle, door is what? Door is a rectangle. This one, this shape square by like this one. Let's go to another one here. What here? What can write here? This is what? This is a star. So I put I select letter S. Dog. I select letter D. Here we have nerve. I select letter N. Here we have answer. I select letter R. Here we have circle the pictures that started by the given letter. Here is letter T. Which one is letter T here? Started by which one of the tomato? So I select tomato. Capital B and small b. It will be here panda. I select the panda and pizza. Both started by letter letter B. Here is pizza and panda. Here is tomato. I think here we have another word that started. I think tiger is not clear. I think it's tiger. So here is the tomato. Here is tomato. I don't know. I don't know if this is a tiger or not. So I select this one because I think this is, I'm sure that is related to letter okay. Here we have capital B and small b. Here we have pizza and panda. H, here is capital H and small h. House and hat. So here is house and hat, started by letter H. Capital A and small a. Here it will be axe and arrow. So I select axe and arrow related to letter A. Here we have things that related to things, and we have the one is different. So all these are persons. So we have here a bird is odd one here in this column. Okay, here in this row it will be here. We have here is the difference here between all these persons except a bird. Here we have a butterfly, we have tree, flower, and here is a person. So all these related in the garden except this one. So I said this none is odd. Here is in this picture, you draw the family members, father, mother, and sister, and draw it here in this part. Here we have color items. As we know, we during the lesson, we know the colors, and we know the 6 colors. As we know that that butterfly is yellow, we know that tree is green, we know the flower is red, we know that also what you know the bird is, I think, brown, I think is yellow. Can draw it by yourself. We know here and the rest of the pictures we can here is the items that we can see in the garden. So here we can color the tree in green color. We color the grass. Here is the grass. We can also color by green. Flower colored by red, and butterfly colored by yellow. Okay. Today we end from unit 4. Next class I will give you brief about this unit because I don't want to make the video longer. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.